Okay, we're on the Spinitron website and we're going to put in a playlist. So first, you log in. If you don't have a login, you should see your staff supervisor to get one. You put in KBOO as the station and submit. Oh, and it's going to say we're in version 2. Use this page to log in from, and that's fine. We log in. Now we're logged in. Now we go to playlist, new. I'm going to make a new playlist, and you can choose if you're doing a program that already exists. You can choose from that program and put in your playlist, or you can use a blank playlist if it is an unscheduled show, but it should be usually a scheduled show. We'll just call this test playlist, and music. They're pretty much all music shows if you're putting in a playlist. Now I'm going to put in what time my show starts. This you usually shouldn't need to do this because your show will be preset. And so we'll put in special program as the episode name. Now, here's where we put in the artist. Now, if you're doing a regular program, this will be the page that you see. Put in an artist name. Once you start typing, then it should drop down, and then you can put in, you can click on the drop down, and the song name also has a drop down. Oh, gotta spell it right though. And there's a lot of versions, so we'll put in this version. We'll say, okay, which album was this off of, and the start time. So you want to put in now if it's starting right now, or what time did it start, and then it'll automatically put in the duration of the song, as long as it's a song that's in the database, and submit. You don't have to actually save the playlist in version 2. It will automatically save it. Then you can go to browse and see the test playlist is on the list of existing playlists, and you can view it, and there's our one song. Whatever songs you add will then be on there listed, and then they will automatically appear on the KBOO website under your episode page, as long as the time lines up with the time of your show. So it goes by the start time and the name of your show. So if your show starts at 8 p.m., your playlist should also start at 8 p.m. That's it. I'm going to do another video a little later showing how to import from iTunes if you're someone who uses iTunes. But that's the basics of putting in a playlist on the new Spinitron. Thank you.